tó bá ṣe wá sí lọ́wọ́ tàbí wọ́n ṣe kan lọ́wọ́ ẹ bá bá wọn tí wọ́n bá wá rí èèyàn tí ń bọ̀ wọ́n sì dá wá sí ẹ̀gbọ́n wọ́n wá gbé àpọ́nlé fẹ́ni yẹn kì í sábà wọ́pọ̀ níbi àwọn èèyàn míì bẹ́ẹ̀ àwọn àǹfààní ni wọ́n sábà máa ń ṣe kí ní ọlọ́run ní kẹ́ parí àbá rẹ̀ ọlọ́run ní dúró tì yín inú mi kò pé mo wà ń bí lálẹ́ yìí tí mi bá sí níbi tí wọ́n bá ròyìn fún mi inú mi ò ní dùn ọlọ́run ní kẹ́ parẹ́ torí pé àbá wa yìí gbogbo nǹkan tá à ń ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá wọ́n sàn mọ́nítọ̀ ni wọ́n mọ̀ jà gbàgẹ́gbẹ́ tó lọ nú mi tó ń ṣàdúrà pé ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò gbọdọ̀ ṣubú ìyà tí jẹ́ Yorùbá ti tó ọlọ́run Yorùbá yìí là gbogbo àwọn Yorùbá máa pè ní pé àbá wa kẹ́ ń bẹ àṣẹ èèyàn ní bẹ lẹ́yìn òrò tó rò fi dún àbá yọ ọlọ́run jẹ jábọ́ lálá gbogbo ẹ̀yin àbá pátápátá tí ẹ̀ ń bá wa ṣàdúrà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá ó kí ìlọsíwájú ọgbàlẹ̀ Yorùbá pé àti ń jẹ Yorùbá tó ẹ̀ ní tẹ́ láéláé nígbà tí ẹ bá ṣàdúrà títí tí ẹ bá gbé wa délẹ̀ lérí àdéhùn ayé jù láéláé ọlọ́run wa níjọ́ kó kọyọ́ parẹ́ ọlọ́run níjọ́ kọyọ́ parẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ wà ní ojú ọ̀dẹ̀ ní tiẹ̀ láéláé gbogbo ìgbà yòówù tí ayé bá ń já etí gbà bá ń jẹ́ gbà ẹ̀ ní mọ̀ sáré ọmọ rẹ̀ ọlọ́run ní gbàsẹ́ lẹ́nu yín torí pé àbí olórí burúkú èèyàn náà sọ pé talẹ̀ yín àbá gbogbo àdúrà tẹ̀ ń gbà lórí wa ní gbà àdúrà tí ẹ̀ ń gbà yẹn àwa mọ̀ lára pé mo fi ọlọ́run tó ní ẹ̀mí ìdúrà òun rí àpẹẹrẹ pé àdúrà yẹn ń gbà òun rí dáadáa pé àdúrà yẹn ń gbà nígbà tí àáfàá wa yìí nìkan lè mi fọkàn sí nígbà mo tún wá rẹ̀yìn àáfàá mi tẹ́ fún gbàgbàgbà àyà mi tún wá di púpọ̀ lálẹ́ ìdí pé àṣẹ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe abájọ náà bẹ́ẹ̀ wọ́n bá fẹ́ gbàbí kan yọ ọlọ́run dìbẹ́ táwọn tá bá gbàbí kan yọ á sáré pé ọlọ́run kẹ́ dìbẹ́ ẹ wò gbà tí wọ́n dá wa lọ́nà ọjọ́ yẹn ọjọ́ burúkú ọjọ́ yẹn tí àwọn DSS àtàwọn sójà yẹn dá wa lọ́nà tí ì báyìí pé ọjọ́ Jímọ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn àdúrà ẹ̀yìn àfa wa ń gbà ní wọ́n ti páàkì ẹ̀ tó kàdún gbogbo gbìdàgbìdà ń jọ yìí tọ́lọ́wọ̀n rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣùgbọ́n bí a ṣe ń lọ́nu ọkọ̀ wọn sọ fún àyẹ̀kọ́ mi àtàwọn tó tẹ̀lé wọn pé àwọn bíbélì yìí wọ́n fẹ́ mú wa nínú bá ṣe ń gbàgbé tán náà kọ̀ọ̀kan ní búlọ̀kù wa kì í ṣe kì í ṣe wà ní kọ́ńtọ́ dẹ̀ kúrò gbogbo ọ̀nà kò mọ̀ lọ́wọ́ wọ́n tó 60 ọlọ́run rí mi mo wá rí i pé àdúrà yẹn ń gbà ẹ̀mí yẹn kàn wọnú mi pé bọ́ọ̀lẹ̀ tí wọ́n ẹ bá wọn gbà kó ṣe tó ṣe àbábọ́lẹ̀ bá bọ́ sọ́lẹ̀ àfi bí ọlọ́run ṣe fi nígbà tí yẹn fi ẹgbà yọ àfa ẹ̀ ní jábọ́ láéláé mo fọlọ́ ń búra àdúrà yẹn gbà èmi ò rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ní kí ẹ mọ gbàdúrà kó dẹ̀ mọ ṣẹ lẹ́sẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ tá a bá ṣe nǹkan mí ta rò yí pé kìnìún kan láì ọlọ́run sọ pé èmi ni mo sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ ọlá àwọn tí ń gbàdúrà fún un tó sọ wọ́n ti sọ yìí ọlọ́run jẹ́ tán àpá.
Check out what Sunday Igboho did for Muslims for inviting him to their meeting at Osun Osogbo. He went there and, you don't just assume that everybody is your enemy. If you have been invited, you go, trusting, you go with faith that all will be well. It's not an ambush. You go there and you sit down and have a conversation and negotiate. You just watch the video just to show to you that Sunday indeed was there at the invitation of these Muslims that invited him. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe if this is your first time. Let's get all the details. Check out what Sunday Igboho did for Muslims for inviting him at Osun Osogbo. A popular Yoruba activist, Chief Sunday Adeyemo, better known as Sunday Igboho, was invited by Muslims to a program at the Idun Osun Osogbo, Osun State yesterday. He was invited by the Muslims living at the community called Idun Osun Osogbo, Osun State to contribute to the program. The video of the program was broadcast live, and by Okiki Media. You can see the pictures. Recall that Sunday Igboho and his team are agitating for the Yoruba nation. He used the opportunity to make the awareness of Yoruba nation to the people of Idun Osun Osogbo, Osun State. Muslims commented his efforts in chasing Fulani herdsmen who killed and kidnapped Yoruba people from the Yoruba land. And they promised him that they will keep supporting him in prayer. They said he has done well. Sunday Igboho also donated a sum of 200,000 naira to the Afar. He signed the check immediately and gave the leader of the Islamic organization who invited him to the meeting. Sunday Igboho promised them that the next year he will donate more than what he has done today. He will bring important people to the program to donate more. He prayed that God will help him to succeed with the Yoruba Nation agitation before that next year and the program be organized again. He also admonished the people to ensure that they help to get rid of criminals and those who do not want the Yoruba Nation to be a place where everybody could have a peaceful life and be able to go about their duty. Sunday Igboho encouraged the people to live right and to do the right thing. You see, so they invited Sunday and he was there. He came, you could see Okiki Koiki standing beside him. Yes, you could see him standing beside him, and they went ahead. They went there. They were there on the account of the invitation, and it was a good, coming out and speaking to the people. You don't just sit back in your cocoon and just say, everybody is my enemy. These people, no, you don't profile everybody as criminals. People give people opportunity to prove themselves, give opportunity to be able to, show who they are, give opportunity to people to, to give people a benefit of a doubt, and Muslims are not criminals, okay? Not all Muslims are criminals. There are criminal elements, yes, there are criminal elements, no doubt about that. There are criminal elements. However, not all are criminals. So you can't wake up on one side of your bed and go and say, they are all criminals. They are all this, they are all that. That's not very correct. That's not very true. For if you say that, you are generalizing, and it's not good. It's not a good thing to say. There are genuine criminals among them, and there are genuine non-criminals with good hearts, wonderful neighbors, friends, you see. So we must give opportunity every time, all the time, so that people, could prove themselves. And they invited him. He did. Indeed, he was there. He supported them. They spoke. He talked about the agitation. He talked about all these things that are going on. He discussed with them and he said, this and this and this are what we should do and why we should take this thing important, and the people were there to really, they were there to speak together and to be able to hear their mind and to be able to speak together. So, guys, what do you think? Leave us a comment. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. Click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Bye for now.